Okay, please wait. This is class 4A, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and this is our second French class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, everyone please keep your cameras on. Keep your cameras on. Amaya, Niran. Yes. Let me see your beautiful faces. Okay. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? What's the meaning?
How are you?
Comment allez-vous?
How are you? How are you?
Yes. Comment allez-vous means how are you? So how will you reply? I am fine. How will you say I am fine?
Afternoon, ma'am.
How will you say I am fine in French?
Ma'am.
Ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci. Okay? Ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien means I am fine. Merci means thank you. Okay. So, ça va bien, merci. Okay?
Ça va bien, merci.
Yes. So, let me ask you once again. Comment allez-vous?
Ça va bien, merci.
Okay, very good, very good. No one asked me, how are you? How are you? No one asked me. Why you are not asking me? How will you ask me in French? You ask, et vous? Et vous? Et vous means and you. Okay, et vous means and you. So, ask.
Et vous?
Moi aussi, ça va bien. Moi aussi, ça va bien.
Merci, ça va bien.
Okay, so okay, we'll do a quick revision. What did we learn in the previous class? We learned greeting friends. Yes.
Bonjour, madame. Je m'appelle Sribhadra.
Yes. I am muting everyone for some time. Yes, we learn how to greet in French and also we learn how to introduce in French. So let me ask Anne Maria. Anne Maria, tell me, how will you greet in French? Huh?
My sister is talking there.
Okay, no problem, dear. Yeah, tell me. How will you greet in French?
Ma'am, I joined it a bit late.
You will say, how will you greet in French? You will say, bonjour, madame, right?
Bonjour, madame.
Yeah, we already learned in the previous class, right? Yes. Now, tell me, Catherine, how will you introduce yourself in French?
Je m'appelle Catherine.
Yes, je m'appelle Catherine. Okay, so that two sentences we learned in the previous class. Now, everyone, you can mute. Today, we are going to learn alphabets. Okay, today we are going to learn alphabets. Now, so those who have textbook, you can take your textbook. Page number 19. Please take your textbook, page number 19. Those who don't have, no problem. I will be sharing my screen. But please try to get your textbook ASAP. Okay. Okay, so leçon 1. Leçon 1. What is the meaning of leçon 1? What is leçon 1? Yes, leçon 1 means lesson 1, right? Leçon 1 means lesson 1. Okay, let's see the spelling of leçon 1, right? See the spelling of.
write it.
Pardon?
Ma'am, we have to write it.
Pardon?
We have to write it.
No, today you don't have anything to write, okay? Keep your pencils down. Today you don't have anything to write. Okay, so listen.
Page number.
Page number 19, 19. 19, page number 19, 19. Vaigalakshmi, close the door. Yes.
Page
So,
number D.
page number
new.
19. Page number 19. Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. So, leçon 1. Leçon 1. Leçon, L-E-C-O-N. Leçon 1. What is leçon 1? Lesson 1. 1 in French is un. U-N. Un. Nasal sound. Nasal sound. Okay? Un. Un. Not nasal. You have to try to make that sound with your nose. Okay. Yes. Lesson. Now, when I said lesson, did you notice something? When I said lesson, did you notice something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Under the C, one thing is there.
No, that's there. That I will tell you later. Other than that, did you notice something?
Yes,
Lesson.
ma'am.
Yes, right. The spelling is yes, L-E-C-O-N. There is one N at the end, but I didn't say N. I said lesso only, right? Lesso I said. N I didn't say. N was silent there. Others, please keep your mics muted. N is silent there. Why N is silent? Why N is silent?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am. The French words
Uh-uh.
are, if a word end with consonants, so the letter will be silent.
Very good, Sribhadra. Now tell me, how do you know that? You saw the video?
No, ma'am.
Then?
In my brother's class.
Okay, in your brother's class. Okay, your brother is in which class?
Second A.
Second A, 2A. Okay, Sribhadra. Okay, good. That's right. So listen, others. In French, or mostly in French, if your word is ending with a consonant letter, then that letter will be silent. Okay, once again, if your word is ending with a consonant letter, then that letter will be silent. So tell me, what are consonant letters? Consonant letters?
A,
Hmm?
B, C, E, F, O,
No.
C.
See? Consonant letters. Okay, please wait. Please wait. I will ask. Vaishnav, can you say what are consonant letters? Vaishnav?
Yes.
Yes, say. Consonant letters. Vaishnav?
I was late in the class.
You are not in the previous class. That's okay. Fine. We don't. Okay, there's no connection with the previous class. You just joined now, Adidev?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we are only starting. Okay, so in French, if your word is ending with a consonant letter, then that letter will be silent. Okay, so tell me, what are consonant letters? Consonant letters. Tell me.
W, X, Y, Z.
Consonant letters. No one knows?
Ma'am,
Yes, Maisa.
X,
Say.
Y, Z.
Say, Maisa.
B, C, D, F, G.
Right. Okay, Maisa. So we can say, except vowel letters, remaining all letters are consonant letters, right? Among 26 alphabets, if you take out the vowel letters A, E, I, O, U, remaining all letters are consonant letters.
Consonants.
Yes. So here the word lesso is ending with which letter?
N.
What is this on my screen? Oh God. Okay, please wait, everyone. Please wait. Please wait, everyone.
Which page number? 19. D
Page
new.
number 19. 19.
D new.
Who's that? Okay, so lesson. See the spelling? L-E-C-O-N. Lesson. Tell me, lesson is ending with which letter? N, right? And N is a?
Not
N is a consonant letter. So here N will be silent. So the pronunciation of the word is lesson.
Lesson.
Lesson. Okay. Okay. In the previous class, what did we learn? We learned bonjour, right?
Bonjour.
B-O-N-J-O-U-R. And I told you here R will be silent. That's also because of the same reason. Okay, R is a consonant letter, so here R will be silent. Bonjour. Bonjour. Okay, tell me what's today's topic?
Alphabet.
Alphabets, right? So see the spelling: A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T. Ending letter. What's the ending letter here? T, right? And T is a
Consonant letter.
okay. So here T will be silent. So it is alphabet.
Alphabet.
Alphabet. Okay.
Alphabet.
Yes. Okay. So let's start with alphabets.
Alphabet.
Yes.
B, C, D,
Okay, please mute everyone. Mute. Everyone mute. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
join now only.
You just joined now only?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem, dear. We are just starting with the alphabets. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, letter A is having the sound ah. 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 Open sound. Okay. Ah. Right. Ah. Not ah. Ah. Right. Okay. Good. Then moving to the next letter. B. B. Good. Okay. Then next one. Say. 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 Okay. Then next letter. A. A. Tell me how you are going to read this one. T-H-E-Y. How will you read this? They. So here same pronunciation. Okay. They. Okay. Good. Then next. You. You. Okay. Everyone keep your hand like this in front of your mouth. Keep your hand in front of your mouth, not like this. Maisa, yeah. See, now you say you. You will be able to feel the air hitting on your hands. Okay? Yeah. See here on the board. Everyone, look at the screen.
Can see
How
the
will you read this? Right? Yes. Now I am adding one H here. Sorry. Wait. Y-O-U. Now I add one H. Now how will you read this? You, right? Yes. So that's a sound for letter E. Yes. Now we are going moving to the next letter. F. 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 Yes, there is one extra additional O sound at the end. F. Right. Right. F. Right. Then next. Then next. J. 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 Okay, very good. Then next. Ash. Ash. Okay. So once again, so we will learn today only these much letters. Okay, once again, let's practice. Repeat after me. A. Okay, please wait. I am muting everyone. Please wait. I am muting everyone. For some time, I'll be muting everyone and you can practice there. After that, I will give you the chance. Okay. Yeah. So repeat after me. You can repeat there. Okay. Don't have to unmute. Be. Louder, everyone. Okay. Be. Say.
Say.
They.
They.
Please keep your mics muted. Okay, they. Then you. Right? Then F. Then J. Ash. Once again. A. B. Se. De. Y. F. J. Ash. Okay, I am stop sharing. Okay, then now you are going to read these letters. Now I'll be calling you one by one according to your roll number wise. Okay, roll number wise I will call you. At the same time I will be marking your attendance also. So only that person unmute and read. Others, please do practice. Don't sit simply. Okay, please do practice. Okay, so the first person is Adidev. Adidev.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read.
A,
Hmm?
B,
Right.
C,
Yes.
D,
Hmm?
F,
Hmm? Then
F,
F.
F,
Right.
J,
J. Right.
hash,
Not hash. Ash.
ash,
Right. Okay, good. Then next is Arush. Right. Right. Hmm? Hmm? You. Right. F. Right. Hmm? Right. Very good. Next is Achyut. Achyut. Yes. Right.
They.
Hmm?
Say.
Continue.
They.
Hmm?
They. You. Say.
Not Faye.
Faye.
F.
Say.
No, no. Right. Right.
J.
Hmm?
Ash.
Right. Very good. Okay. Next is Aditri. Aditri. Yes. Read.
A.
A.
Ma'am, it is Anne Maria.
Anne Maria. No. Aditri. Aditri Sunil. Yes. Read.
A.
Hmm?
B.
Hmm?
C.
Hmm?
D.
Hmm?
Q.
Hmm?
F.
Right.
J.
Right.
Hush.
Ash.
Ash.
Right. Okay. Then next is Adidev. Adidev is here.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read.
Ha,
Not ha.
B,
Ah.
A,
Ah. Yes. Right.
B,
Hmm?
C,
Right.
D,
Hmm?
H,
Hmm? Then
F,
right.
J,
J.
J,
Not J. J.
J,
Right.
hush,
Not hush. Ash.
hash,
Right. Okay. Then next is Aditya. Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read.
A.
Hmm?
B.
Hmm?
C.
Hmm?
D.
Hmm?
Q.
Hmm?
F.
Right.
J.
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 Right.
Ash.
Not hush. Ash.
Ash.
Right. Okay. Then next is Advaita.
Yes,
Advaita. Yes. Read.
Ha.
Hmm?
D.
Right.
C.
Hmm?
U.
They.
D.
Right. Y.
U,
Right.
F,
Right.
C,
J.
J,
Not Shay. J.
C,
Right.
Sha,
Ash.
Ash,
Ash. Can you repeat once again from the beginning? Advaita.
A,
Hmm?
D,
Bay.
B,
Right.
C,
Hmm?
D,
Hmm?
U,
Right. F.
F, C,
Hmm? Ash. Ash. Advaita.
Ash,
Right. Then Alex. Alex. Alex is present or absent? Okay. Then next Amaya. Amaya.
A,
Yes. Read.
B,
Hmm?
F, D,
Hmm?
F, G,
Amaya, can you repeat once again? Louder.
A,
Hmm? Hmm?
D, A,
You.
F, U,
Hmm?
J,
F.
F,
Huh?
J,
Hmm? Okay, very good. Then next is Anne Maria. Yes.
H,
Hmm?
D,
Hmm?
C,
Hmm?
D,
Hmm?
U,
Hmm?
F,
Right.
J,
Right.
Hush,
Very not hush. Ash.
Ash,
Right. Okay. Then next is Aris. Aris. Yes. Aris is there. I'm not able to see him. So next, moving to the next person. Arjun.
Ma'am, he is absent.
Yeah, I can see Arjun here. Yes, read.
A,
Right.
B,
Hmm?
B,
Right.
C,
Hmm?
C,
Hmm?
D,
Right. Continue.
U,
Hmm?
F,
Hmm, right.
J,
Hmm?
Ash.
Right. Okay. Then next is Adhar. Adhar. Yes, Adhar. Read.
A,
Hmm?
B,
Right.
S,
Hmm?
D,
Right.
U,
Right.
F, J,
Hmm?
Ash.
Very good, Adhar. Next is Adhira. Adhira. Adhira is there? No? Okay. Then next is Ain. Ain Maria.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read.
A,
Hmm?
B,
Right.
Sh,
Say.
C,
Hmm?
D,
Right.
H,
You.
U,
Right. Then
F,
F.
F,
Right.
J,
J.
J,
Right.
H,
Ash. Okay, Ain. Next is Azad.
A,
Hmm?
B,
Hmm?
C,
Hmm?
D,
Right.
U,
Hmm? You.
U,
You.
F,
Hmm?
U, F,
Hmm?
J,
Right.
H.
Very good. Okay. Please, everyone, keep your cameras on. Okay. Aris, Nihal, keep your camera on. Then next is Catherine Lizzo.
He had a network problem.
Okay. Okay. Catherine, yes, read. Hmm? A. Catherine, start from the beginning. A. Hmm? Hmm? Right. You. Right. Hmm. Hmm. J and Ash. Okay. Yes, Catherine. Then next is Evelyn. Evelyn. Evelyn is here. Okay. Okay, Evelyn is not there, absent. Next is Hadi. Said. Hadi. Yes, read.
Hadi said, ma'am.
Yes, read.
Ah,
Right.
be,
Mm.
say,
Mm.
a,
Mm. Yes. Yes, right. Okay, next is Evelyn. Evelyn, you can read now. Evelyn. I think she is having a network issue.
I was little late because the connection. Yes, ma'am.
Evelyn, yes, read. Okay, Evelyn is having network issue, I think. Moving to the next person. Hi, Teresa. Hi or Hail?
Hail, Teresa.
Yes. Okay, Hail, Teresa.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, read.
I joined late, so I didn't got to write.
Okay, okay. Now try. You can try to read, right?
I joined late, so I didn't.
Okay. Okay,
I
no
don't know
problem. Do you
what's
have
the
textbook?
topic.
Hail, do you have textbook?
I don't have the textbook.
Okay, no problem. Okay, repeat after me, Hail. A,
A,
be,
be,
se,
se,
de,
de,
ü, ü,
u,
f,
f,
j,
j,
ash.
hash,
Not hash, ash.
ash.
Okay, very good. Hail. Then next is Hazel. Hazel Joby. Hazel, are you there?
Ma'am, she is absent.
She's absent. Okay. The next is Janvi.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ah,
Yes.
ba,
Be.
be,
Right.
se,
Hmm.
de,
Right.
ah,
You.
u,
Right.
f,
Hmm.
j,
Hmm.
ash.
Next. Then this was Janvi, right? Okay. After that, next is John Verghese.
Ma'am,
John, yes, read.
ah,
Yeah.
be, se,
Right.
de, u, f,
Right. Very good.
ash.
J.
J, ash.
Very good. Then next is Joyrik. Joyrik. Yes, read.
De,
Hmm.
se,
Hmm.
de,
Hmm.
u,
Hmm.
f,
Hmm.
j,
Hmm.
ash.
Okay, very good. Next is Maisa.
Ah,
Yeah.
be,
Hmm.
se,
Hmm.
de,
Hmm.
u,
Hmm.
f,
Right.
ash.
Right. Very good. Very good. Next. Here, see, I can see many of your cameras are off. Darshit, Aris, Nihal, Muhammad, then Ain. Please keep your cameras on.
Ma'am, Muhammad,
Ma'am Muhammad is not in our class and
Okay. Okay. Then next. Move to the next person.
network problem.
Niharika. Niharika.
okay, ma'am.
Yes, read.
A, be,
Right.
se,
Hmm.
de,
Hmm.
u,
Hmm.
f,
Right.
j,
Right.
ash.
Very good. Okay. Okay. Then move to the next person. Niran. Niran.
Yes,
Niran. Yes, read.
A,
A.
A,
Hmm?
B,
Bay.
C,
Hmm?
D,
Right.
C,
Hmm?
A,
Hmm?
U,
Right.
F,
F.
J,
Right.
H.
Ash. Okay. So listen.
J.
Listen. Wait. I'll quickly take attendance and will let you read. Okay. Please wait. Yes, Aditri.
There is one person in this class
Okay.
that is not in our class.
That's fine. That's fine. No problem. Now I am going to call some names. So give me attendance. Pranav is there.
Yes,
Pranav?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Present, ma'am.
Pranav present. Prarthana.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Shribhadra.
Present, ma'am.
Shri Durga. Shri. Yes.
Virudha.
Yes. Present. She is present.
No, ma'am.
No, she is not there. Strenga.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Then Stringa. VS.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Then Sweden.
Sweden.
Sweden. Okay. Sorry. Sweden. Present.
Present, ma'am.
He is present or absent?
Present, ma'am.
Present. Okay. Vaishnav.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Present. Vedika.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. UN. UN. Okay, UN, I think he is not there. Once again, I'll call. Alex is there. Alex. Aris is there. Yes, I can see Aris. Then Adira is there. Adira Nair. Adira Nair is there. No. Okay. Hazel is there. Okay. Yes, done. So everyone, we'll continue in the next class. Okay. Remaining letters we'll see in the next class. Okay, everyone. See you. Au revoir.
Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir.
Bye.